If you're not using Instagram stories consistently for your business, you'll be left behind in 2019. More people watch my stories now than the interaction that I get on my posts. It is important to review your social media and ramp things up to the next level. You want to be
actively
visible. To do this, you will need to use Insta Stories. It really makes things much easier. So here are some strategies that you will need to grow your business using Instagram Stories. We all have those days when we just don't have anything to say on social media. Well, I'd highly recommend that you still show up on your Instagram stories. This way, you're getting in front of your community and your potential clients, and you are being consistent. Keep it short and sweet. If you're doing a story where you're talking to the camera, I would suggest keeping it to around 3 to 4 stories long. Anything more than that and people start to drop off. Don't waffle too much. You want to ensure that you're providing as much value as possible to each story. Sure, sometimes we can't help but go over, but for attention's sake, try and keep it short and sweet. Show your work and behind the scenes. This is the perfect way to position yourself as an authority figure in your industry. People love watching how you do your job. They want the inside scoop. And sometimes it's so much easier to show how you do something using video stories than it is to write about it on your feed. The shopping feature. Even if you're service-based and you offer digital products, the shopping feature is an amazing way to link your products to Instagram, because more people are watching Insta stories now than interacting with their feeds. So if you can get in front of their faces on stories, even better. Share other people's posts in your stories. Not only is this a great way to get noticed by others, but it's the perfect way to share part of your brand. It could be something that you just find funny. It could be something that you find inspiring. Or giving your community value by pointing them to a really valuable post. Again, this is a great way to add some fun and personality to your brand. We are all vying for people's attention in this online world. And if you can add a little bit of sparkle and fun, just by using a GIF or an emoji, do it! Know your email and website and drive people to your business. I don't know about you, but I find it so much easier to promote and sell on my Instagram stories than I do on my feed. If I'm promoting something, I can reach more people, I can more easily connect with my audience, and they can more easily connect with me. Use templates. There are heaps of apps out there that will help to make your Instagram stories more interesting.
You should never judge a book by its cover, but we all do. The same goes for your posts. When you are promoting on Instagram, it's the well-crafted, eye-catching images that gain the most attention. And the best thing is, you don't need to have a degree in design to create amazing graphics for yourself. Want to know how it's done? Check out Canva.
talking about the poll, the countdown, the question and the music. These are amazing ways to get your audience interacting with your content. It's also a great way to determine how engaged your audience is. Don't be afraid to use these features. Instagram Stories is just going to get bigger in 2019. And if it means we can get in front of people's faces more often, do whatever you think will grab the attention of your potential clients. Don't forget to like and subscribe and visit our social media platforms and our website for more tips, resources, advice and reviews. Thank you for watching.